How to enable face grouping in Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can enable face grouping in Google Photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you don't know what face grouping is basically a feature that Google Photos has that will let Google's AI to determine a person based on their face. So if there is a list of all the people inside the group and so many photos in your gallery on the Google Photos app, you can actually only search for your photos because Google is going to recognize your face with their AI. And sometimes this feature could be disabled by default. So what you want to do to enable that is you want to go ahead and launch the Google Photos application here. Then you want to make sure to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then after you come to this page, you simply want to go to the option called Photo Settings. When you come to Photo Settings, you'll find the option called Face Groups if it isn't already on. And if you don't find it, it means that it is already on. So under no face labeled as me, you can just tap the choose option. Now, other way you can do this is you can just come back, you can see sharing or you can see search options over here. You'll be able to see different types of options. When you come to search options, you'll be able to see grouping photos by people and pets helps you find the loved ones. So over here, you should be able to see a list of all the people's faces that are on your gallery. You can simply give them a name or you can simply search for your own specific photo. Google's AI will automatically determine all of your faces and give you accurate suggestions. This way you'll be able to enable face grouping in Google Photos. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.